Hey y'all, it's your girl Kia Cole and I am back with the video. So what is up? Today is Wig Wednesday. So welcome back, you guys. If you are new to my channel, this is a series that I do every single Wednesday. Well, I try to do it every Wednesday, but I'll be coming to you guys with a new wig from an amazing company. So I am excited to be doing this collaboration. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Keeping It Cute with Key, and on my channel you'll see anything from fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So let's get into it. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell. So the wig that I'm coming to you guys today with is from the company LUVMEHAIR. I am so excited because I see this company all the time all over YouTube and Instagram, and I finally got a chance to collaborate with this company. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I love the packaging. It looks so luxurious and neat. The color is so vibrant and purple. So yes, and it has like a cute little ribbon on it. I'm going to go ahead and open it up to see what they have inside. So the first thing that I see in the box is the wig, of course. It comes in a cute organza bag, which is also purple, and it has the company's logo on the front. And inside they also have some headbands that you can wear with the headband wig. I'm not sure how many comes in a pack, but I'll open it up and see. And then they also have this cute little lovely note that says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on." And this was from the founder of LUVMEHAIR. And as I continue to open it, I absolutely love this. It looks like a little pencil case, but you could probably use it as a makeup bag later. But it has all of your headband needs, supplies, even wig needs. It has an extra piece of elastic band, I'm guessing, if you want to sew that on. My favorite, it has an edge control brush, because I always tend to either lose these or the hair tends to get stuck together. They have this cute LUVMEHAIR satin band that you can put around your edges. And then they also have some tweezers. These look like some real good quality tweezers, y'all. They done put some good stuff in this little bag. And then it also has some bobby pins. And it has a hair clip that says, "Love me." So this was really cute. I've never seen a lot of companies that invest so much in their packaging. Oh, and of course, I can't forget the wig cap. But I never seen so many companies invest so much into their packaging. So this was nice to see. They also have a cute little flyer. If you ever need a model LUVMEHAIR, reach out to your girl. I got you. On the back, it has the return and refund policy and their social media platform at the bottom. So I am going to go ahead and pull the wig out of the bag. And as you can see, it does have a net over it. I love the texture of these curls. It is so beautiful. This is a deep wave wig. Look at that. Oh my god. So this wig is a 20-inch wig. On their site it says it's $479, but it was on sale for $189, and I'm sure you can find a lot of coupons on their site. So like I said before, this is a headband wig, so they already have the standard black band stitched on. And then if we go towards the back of the wig, it does have the elastic strap, so you can make sure that your wig is secured, giving you that extra support. It's very easy to snap the Velcro. And then it also has 4 sets of pins. This is the first one that's in the front. And then it also has 2 on the sides. And then of course, 1 in the back. So you don't have to feel like this wig will not be secured. It'll be secured 100%, honey. It ain't gonna be flying off your head. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys 5 different ways. Well, I'm going to try to show you 5 different ways to style this headband wig. So let's jump right into it. Stay tuned. Y'all, don't mind my hair. I had these little braids in because I had another wig on my head, but I was not finna do this over. So don't mind my little Tupac gel braids, silly looking braids. We just going to go ahead and throw this wig on top of that. I'm going to use their wig cap. I normally don't use a wig cap. You can do whatever you want, but sometimes I feel like the wig cap makes it too tight. But I'm going to just put this on for this video so you guys can see. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on my head. So So the thing I love about headband wigs is that it's very easy to put on. It's very beginner friendly. You don't need glue. You don't need to know how to sew, bond in, none of that stuff. All you have to do is just put it on and go, or style it, of course, whatever kind of hair texture you have. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and snap this in the back. It was kind of difficult because the hair was in the way. But I'm guessing like if you do put the hair in a ponytail or whatever the case may be, then it might be easier for you. But I was having a rough time here. Now this is the natural state of the hair. It does look very beautiful in its natural state. It looks kind of like a jerry curl kind of thing. I always smell the hair because I know everybody be like, oh, the hair smell bad. But this one didn't have a bad smell at all. So you're good to go. It smell like weave or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this wig so I can, you know, loosen up the curls a little bit, and then I'll be right back. I just feel like this hair looks so good in any state that it's in. Like, look how it looks as I comb out the curls and I wet it a little bit. It still looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first hairstyle. As I switch through each hairstyle, I will also be changing out the headbands that they supplied me with. I believe it was about 5 headbands. And I will also be showing you guys different earrings from my collection. It's RT Key collection. I sell women's accessories, so I hope you guys enjoy them. The link will be in the bio to purchase. When you do this with the headband, the black part might show sometimes, so you want to make sure that you tuck it good enough. So the first hairstyle that I'm going to be doing is the half up, half down. You want to make sure that your combs are secure, because when you pull the hair up into a ponytail, the wig will move around. So there's like a part 2 to this hairstyle. If you want to do the same hairstyle, you know, of course, you can go ahead and do a bun. Just wrap the hair around. Mine was a little bit wobbly as I was doing this, but you get the picture. If you just want to do something casual, you could just wrap the hair around into a messy bun. It doesn't have to be perfect because, of course, it's called a messy bun. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So for this next hairstyle, this is another simple hairstyle. I'm going to go ahead and do one ponytail, but like I mentioned before, make sure all of the combs are secure, because as you pull the hair, the wig will start to come off your head. So I had to make sure that it was secured 100% before I started the ponytail, and this was the outcome. I switched the headband to this gray satin silk headband. I was having a little difficulties with the layout of it, but it was really cute. I love the color and the texture. And then as you can see, I also switched out my earrings to my Tropical Paradise earrings. These are also on my site, so I hope you guys like them. So for my next hairstyle, this is something that is a little bit simple. It's just as if you were to wear the hair, but I'm going to push everything to one side. I thought this was cute and stylish for like if you do like a beach look, or you know, something where you're hanging out with your girls. I did change my earrings out, so I hope you guys like them. These are 18 gold plated. They're a tiny bit heavy, but this is a perfect statement piece for any birthday function or like any event that you have going on that you want to stand out. So yes. I wanted to do something fun, so we're going to go ahead and do a ponytail again. And this was like a little freestyle hairstyle, so I don't even know if this is a hairstyle, but I just wanted to give it a try because I thought it'd be cool. So what I did was I went ahead and put the ponytail in. I did the knot twice, and then what I did was I flipped the hair over, and I'm just going to put the hair underneath the band, the headband. So what this is going to do is make me a little bang, something fun and wow. You can go ahead and just play around with it, move it around as much as you want. Some of the pieces you may have to tuck in. You can use bobby pins, but this is just something cool and different if you wanted to do a bang. And it can be a messy look. It doesn't have to look perfect, but this is just something so your hair is not out. And even if it's hot, this will be a perfect hairstyle. So yeah. So for this next hairstyle, I'm going to go ahead and wet the hair, and I'm also going to comb through it with my detangler brush or my wig brush, whatever you choose to call it. I'm just doing this so I can go ahead and plait the hair in 2 sections. I'm going to part it down the middle in the back, but as you can see, I also covered a large amount of hair across my forehead so you won't be able to see the headband. Now, this is another way that you can also maintain your curls so it doesn't get matted or frizzy, especially at night if you do sleep in the wig, or if you want to take the wig off and put it in your wig bag, your satin bag. You can go ahead and plait it in 2 plaits so that your hair is secured and still in that same format. I'm going to go ahead and grab my little scrunchies that I purchased the other day. You can use a rubber band as well if you don't want this to show on the bottom or the ends of your hair, and we're just going to apply this so that it doesn't unravel the braid. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. Now I'm tucking the headband so you don't see that this is a headband wig, and then I'm going to just use this accessory to give it a little pop. You can use any kind of headband that you have. You can also use the satin headband that came in the packaging. So this was really cute, and I just wanted to show you another way that you can wear it without showing the headband. So this will be a cute little style if you're at the beach or something like that. And I forgot to put my earrings on, oh my god, so I'm gonna just go ahead and add my accessories. But I hope you guys were feeling this video. I hope you like these hairstyles. Please leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and this is also one more look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.